How did the donors react to the feeding disaster? I was the only night keeper who could handle Poseidon, our $4 million giant Pacific octopus. He was calm with me, wrapping his arms gently to take food, but turned aggressive with anyone else, especially Tim, a new hire with zero cephalopod experience. Our operations director, Caroline, hated that Poseidon only responded to me. She wrote me up for nonsense like using the wrong sunscreen and pushed to prove that no animal should rely on one person. So she forced Tim to handle a VIP donor demonstration, ignoring my warnings that Poseidon would react badly. I walked out rather than endanger Tim or the animal, and within minutes, chaos erupted. Poseidon grabbed Tim's arm and refused to let go, inked up the tank, and terrified the donors so badly they threatened to pull their funding. 10 minutes later, I returned. Poseidon calmed down the second he heard my voice, released Tim, and ate normally. Donors were stunned. By Friday, Caroline was reassigned for violating animal safety protocols.